Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and safe. Today I will show you time blocking with Google Calendar and I will tell you why it is super productive and very easy to maintain. And if you don't know how to use it, I will tell you how to do that. This video is only for who doesn't know about Google Calendar or who doesn't know what is time blocking. If you know what is time blocking, then this video is not for you. Last 2 months I have been using this and now I'm more clear about my schedule. I can focus on my goals, I can finish it on time, and the main reason I'm successful because it is time blocking. Through this you always know how much time you need to finish this work, and it is very much time saving. You can create for same event for every day with just one click. You don't have to write again and again. And main reason I started using this, you don't have to see your notebook every time. It is set in your mobile calendar. Whenever you go outside, always you will have access to your schedule. It is always with you, so easily you can stick to your routine and you can be more productive. So let's jump onto the video. You have to go to Google and you will write Google Calendar. Then you will see for business calendar and for personal use. You will open personal use. Then you will click on the sign in, and if you already logged in through your Gmail, it will open automatically, and if you didn't log in, then you have to put your mail ID and password. Once it is open, you will see this, the whole full month. Right side corner you will see day, week, month, year, schedule. Whatever you will click, that particular format will open. I prefer week. I open week page and then I start writing about my to-do list, appointments, schedules. If you open day, then you will see only particular that day with a 24 hours division. In month, you will see 31 days, and in year, obviously 12 months. Left side you will see full month calendar, and below that you will see my calendar, where you can create new calendar according to your preference. I always prefer to create personal, task, YouTube, work, etc. You can create anything which resonates you. Here you will see lots of color. According to your choice, you can change the color. Now let's see how to create schedule or event. With just one click it will open. Here you can write work title, set your time. You can change the work category. I will show you later in detail. Now let's do full routine. Suppose you want to wake up 6 a.m. then you select 6 a.m. slot and you write wake up, then you select the timing. Suppose you just need 15 minutes to get up, so it is 6:15. You will select the repeat option daily, and you can change it into personal, because obviously getting up and you doing your own thing comes under personal category. Now you can see that automatically it is set for every day for this month. You can go to the month section, you can check it. See, it is set for 31 days. So you don't have to do it again and again. With just one click it is set for whole month. Now suppose you want to set time for meditation. Write it, select the time and save it. Like previous, it is also set for 31 days. Now you want to change the color. So right click, select the color, and it will give you 3 options. This event means particular for that day, and this and following events means for the whole month. So here you are going to select second option because you want to change the color for whole month. So the color has already changed. Now suppose you want to increase the timing. You want to do it for 2 hours or 3 hours. Left click and the new window will open. Here you can select the time and you can save it. Now I will show you another way you can change the timing. So let's delete this first. Same rule for delete also. If you click this event, then particular that day will be deleted. Or if you click second option, the whole month task or events will be deleted. Now you have to create meditation again. Now if you want to change the time, you can just drag the whole thing till 8:30 or whatever time you like and leave it. Now select second option and OK. So automatically it will set for all days. This is how you can edit the timing. Now suppose you have some class. It can be dance class, online class, anything. You will create the task and you will change it to learning category because it comes under learning, and save. Now you want to set it for every Sunday. So left click, edit events, set it for weekly on Sunday. Now save it. Now you can see all Sundays got same event on same time. Now suppose every alternate day you have a client meeting or meeting with doctor, anything. So here you will go to custom and select the repeat every 2 and days. Now change the color so that you can understand clearly which color means which work. Or if you want to create any single particular event, you can write single event. So I hope till now it is totally clear. Now delete everything and I will create my schedule for August. And I will show you what is my actual routine is. I usually wake up 7 a.m. every day. Then I do meditation. I do it for almost 2 hours. I will change the color. Actually, I should make it personal because these are my personal work. After that, I prefer to start working for YouTube, like editing and shooting, because right now I haven't joined any VFX company. I'm just working as a freelancer. So I prefer to shoot and edit in the morning. I do all this work till 12 o'clock. Now I will select upload date. So basically 3 days of work, shoot and edit, and 4th day I will upload the video. So here I am deleting 4th day events because I will write upload event instead. Here I will create upload event and I usually upload at night. So I'm selecting the timing. You can drag that box anywhere according to your time. And I will repeat this upload event. So I'm selecting repeat every 4 days. Then move on to lunch and cooking. Usually 12 to 2 p.m. I have my lunch and I like to take a little bit of rest. So 12 to 2 p.m. is my cooking, lunch and taking rest time. After that, I spend time in learning. Someday I have online classes and I think I should change the shoot edits category. It should fall into YouTube category. Now I am changing learning/online classes category. It should come under learning category and I will repeat this every 3 days. Here now I am adding VFX work and I will work those days till 5 p.m. So this is actually my routine looks like. Obviously it is not an exact routine, but obviously I'm going to add few things later because now it is too early to make schedule for August. Anyway, those who love to write schedule on journal, you can continue, or if you are like me, don't like to open journal every now and then this is the perfect planning tool. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or any suggestion, please comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.